Hi, I'm Andrew Chermark, founder of VeriDrive Insurance Agency. Welcome back to VeriDrive's Road to Savings. Top safe driving tips to lower your insurance premiums. Today, we're sharing more tips to keep you safe on the road and help you save on insurance. Tip number 7, regular vehicle maintenance. Keep your vehicle in good working condition by regularly checking brakes, tires, lights, and fluids. A well-maintained vehicle is safer and less likely to be involved in an accident. Tip number 8, adjust for weather conditions. Slow down. Increase your following distance during adverse weather conditions like rain, snow, or fog. Thanks for watching VeriDrive's Road to Savings. Remember, safe driving not only protects you and your loved ones, but also helps you save on insurance. Stay tuned for our next episode.